Hey guys, Habib here. This is the second video of my gameplay playing of my own video game. It is called The Mystery of Meraung Village. On my previous video, I was sleeping here, and it is now I woke up in the morning, and everything is so bright here, and I'm excited to continue the game. This is my cell phone. I plugged it on the charger outlet, and let me just take it out.
Sip, penuh baterainya. Tapi kok nggak ada sinyal sama sekali ya? Wah, parah, pelosok banget ini kampung. Bodo amat, cari makan dulu deh.
I got my phone turned on, but I have no signal here. There is no signal, cellular signal here. So let me go out. Wow. Good morning, guys. I did not eat anything since last night, so I'm so hungry. Let me find something for breakfast. The game was crashed somehow. Let me just continue it because I'm uploading my previous video to YouTube, and also this screen is recording. My Unity editor is running, so maybe I got RAM or memory problem, but don't worry. Here is some food stall. She is selling some foods. Maybe I can pick some of it and eat it as breakfast. Look at this guy. It has a big belly. Let me click this icon.
Wih, jajanannya enak-enak ini. Lapar banget dari semalam.
Iya mas, monggo.
Mas Ari, udah nengok kuburannya kali belum?
Belum pak, paling habis ini sarapan dulu. Sebelah mananya ya pak makamnya?
Pintu masuk makam ada
The
dikit.
voice is
Terus
very terrible.
ada kendi-kendinya.
Oh iya,
Because
makasih
the
pak.
voice changer
Iya pak,
software
di
is
sini
not
kok
very
HP ku
good.
nggak ada sinyal ya? HP bapak juga sama.
Iya mas, udah 2 minggu ini habis semua pada nggak dapet sinyal. Katanya 2 menara di bukit itu rusak, tapi nggak dibener-benerin. Kalau mas
Okay.
bisa benerin, coba di.
This guy, the big belly guy, said that his cell phone also has no signal, and probably the problem is because those cell tower are broken. We got this cell tower, and there is another cell tower there, like that. And he said maybe I can fix the cell tower. That is the other one. I said yes, okay. Maybe I can fix it, but let me go to the cemetery first to visit my uncles.
Ya udah, ke makam deh.
Yeah, to see my uncle's tomb. Tomb, grave. Yeah, that is the cemetery. But I need to find which one is the grave of my uncle. Oh, is it this one? You know, in Indonesia, when somebody just died, on his or her graveyard, on his grave, they put water, what do you call it? It is a jar, water jar. They place it here and they try to wet the soil to respect the person who died. There is another one. Let me check. Yes, it is. It is my uncle's grave.
Maaf Pak Le, saya baru sempat datang.
I said, I'm so sorry, I just came home. I cannot visit you before you die. I'm so sorry. And let me check this one.
Oke, sekarang waktunya ngecek tower BTS dua-duanya. Kali aja nanti bisa dapat sinyal.
The BTS tower means that cell tower. So I need to check it, and maybe I can fix it so I can get cell phone signal in this village, because people also suffering. They cannot contact their friends. They also have same problem like me. They cannot have cellular signal, so I need to check it. It is strange.
Aduh, jauh banget.
Why should I check it? I'm not a person who is authorized to do this thing. Who made the story? It was me. Okay. Arrived here. I can see that blinking icon. Let me check it.
Oke, yang ini kelar.
Okay, it's done. I fixed the tower. Such an easy game, right? You just need to walk and explore the village. Not much thing you should do and struggle doing. Just click the buttons and you are good. I fixed that one, and I need to fix the other tower right there. It's so far away. Okay, because it is a long walk, so what should we do here? It is also boring to walk that far. Well, this is the game. I was planning to add some vehicle, for example, or bicycle, motorcycle, so the player can use and ride to go anywhere. For example, going to that cell tower. But I have no idea how to create a motorcycle riding game, and I don't know yet. I did not try to make such game. Maybe I will try to do it someday, to make an experiment about making a motorcycle game. It looks difficult and complicated to make such game.
Coba ada tumpangan ya, gak buang-buang waktu jalan sejauh ini.
Yeah, I wish there is some vehicle I can ride. I can get in and ride to go this far.
Duh, jalan sejauh ini capek banget nih.
Yeah, and I'm also tired navigating around to reach this cell tower. Okay, where is the blinking icon? It is right there. Let me click it.
Yap, beres.
You can see that The ghosts, they are coming. They're coming to me. Not only one, but so many ghosts. What should I do? Oh, there are so many sharp ghosts. I need just to walk away and avoid them. Not a big deal. I can walk faster than ghosts. Oh, what are they doing there? Which one is my house? My uncle's house. It is that one, I think. Let me go there. Okay, I'm home. Oh, what sound is that? It's
Nah,
my
berarti
cell
dapat
phone.
sinyal nih. Langsung dapat telepon.
It's my cell phone ringing, guys. Where is it? It is on my bed. Let me pick it up.
Halo, Gong. Lagi di mana, Bro?
Ya Rip, di rumah ini. Rip, lu kapan balik?
Yah, gimana sih? Baru aja sampai kampung semalam.
Iya sih, soalnya gue butuh
It is
bantuan lu
Agung.
nih. Kerjaan gue gak kelar-kelar.
Agung is his friend.
Ya ntar lah gue
My
bantuin.
Kapan balik?
Maunya sih seminggu, tapi nggak tahu nih. Di kampung gue serem gini suasananya.
Serem kenapa?
Banyak orang mati, Gong, kata tetangga. Hampir tiap hari ada aja yang mati.
Sama kayak di kampung nyokap
You can
gue.
read the text and
Kasusnya air
follow
sumur
the
yang
story.
terkenal.
I can just
Sejenis racun
Klik.
atau bahan kimia gitu.
skip button.
Gak tahu kok bisa gitu.
Too long the conversation.
Gitu ya?
Again, let me
Iya sih,
skip it.
orang-orang sini.
I told Agung what is happening here. People is dying here in this village. I don't know what's happening. And Agung said maybe the problem is the water from this village. Just take a sample of the water and send it to me. I will analyze the water. He said that. And I'm going to check this well. There is a guy standing like that. Let me check and take a sample of this water.
Pak Wiryo, gak ada air ya, Pak, sumurnya?
Iya, ini harus nunggu. Pas keluar airnya juga
The voice is very
saya
bad.
dulu.
Iya sih, Pak, kemarau gini. Oh iya, Pak, minta airnya yang ditimbahin ya, Pak, dikit aja.
I cannot
Boleh, Pak?
afford a voice
Saya
actor,
pakai
so
sampel,
I did
mau saya
it
kirim ke lab teman saya.
all myself.
Oke, silakan ya.
Try to
Maunya saya paketkan, tapi nggak tahu di mana ya
Yes.
pengkosnya.
voice changer
Itu
software.
kan pos di dekat dapur pintu masuk. Pas kamu masuk kampung dari arah
Oke.
sebelah kanan, ada satu rumah di sana.
The yellow shirt guy says you can take my water as a sample, and there is a post office right there at near the entry gate of the village. I can send the water sample by sending it as a package here on the post office. Let's say just post office agency, shipment agency, yeah, whatever it is. It is open. Let me click it.
Permisi, Pak, mau kirim paket.
Oh iya, silahkan. Ini alamatnya ya?
Funny
Iya, Pak.
voice.
Kilat ya, Pak?
Baik.
Okay. The package of water sample already sent, and I can hear something. Oh, the yellow shirt
Loh,
guy.
Itu kan Pak Wiryo. Kenapa dia?
Mr. Wiryo. What's happening to him? You know guys, I use every animation of character is I took the animation, the motion from Mixamo. I uploaded my character to Mixamo website and download the motion and use it here. Double check.
Pak Wiryo kenapa Pak?
Mr. Radio
Tolong!
is dying.
Tolong Duh gimana nih?
Oh, people are helping Mr. Radio. And what will happen next? Look at this woman, she's crying. So funny.
Aku nggak tahu harus berbuat apa. Puyeng nih, pulang aja ah.
I'm confused and let me just go home. Here is the house. Let me go inside. Okay guys, this is my second video about this game. Let me just stop the recording and continue the rest of gameplay later. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.